Wow.
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 This is awesome.
This is perfect.
I can't believe this is a laser.
This definitely is the most groundbreaking thing I've ever seen.
Having the switch be around the entire circumference of the laser is a very helpful feature.
You don't have to kick the equipment around the operatory to get it to work.
The iLace feels very, very balanced in my hand. It feels very ergonomic.
When I'm holding it, it's very light.
It feels like no instrument I've ever felt.
It's lighter than a Cavitron handle, which is amazing to me.
We have to use it for multiple procedures. If we can change a setting and go right to that second procedure, that helps our patients.
iLaser is so easy to use that a new hygienist can pick this up and get to work with it in a very short time.
The Comfort Pulse specifically is helpful in minimizing thermal damage, increasing healing, patient comfort.